This one is called Laundry Room. It's by Chelsea Design Works. I'm going to give you guys a little secret. Every once in a while, we will tell our in-house staff to make up a name. So Chelsea Design Work is one of our designers. That's what she named herself. So it's like a pseudonym. So here you have, this is a great, very relevant to what we do. These beautiful flowers. You have the cotton. This always is a good seller. People always love the cotton because it's so relevant to what we're doing. But this is not digitally printed. It's traditionally printed. You have the cottons. We have the irons on the check. Look at this. How cute is this? Undies and bras and bikinis and undies and bras and bikinis. Cool. Hangers, socks. You guys know I started commuting to the city. It's a freaking nightmare. I go in once a week. It's 80 minutes each way. Think about that, 160 minutes just on the train. It's a nightmare. Here we have clothespins. We have the little ironing boards. We have your little care instructions. We have, this is great. I love this one. And this really, if you're gonna do any sewing quilt, this one is great. It has all the different ways to get out stains. So berries, ink, chocolate, red wine, grease, grass, coffee, lipstick. Really cute, really clever idea. I like that one. Here's your check. Some little bubbles that are popping out of your washing machine because you put in too much soap. And then here's the black version. And then you have the stripe, kind of ties it all in, cute little socks. And then we have this one. This is a great design. Let's see, it's a big piece. So here it is. So you have like your cabinet with all your clothes in it. It looks like a store or something, but really clever.